Hello, Zalalam from 2620 Isaac Tube. Today we will discuss about creating splash screen for Android using Flutter. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you like my videos, comment and share. So if you go to developerandroid.com, you will see that starting from Android 12, splash screen enables new API launch, and it is provided by the system. But if you want custom splash screen, you can create for your own with the feature of having logo in the middle, and there are specific recommendations for that size picture. It is recommended to be 192 by 192. So let's go to our IDE and see how we can create the splash screen. So here you will have the startup window. So you will say new project and call it splash screen, and you can set the folder where you can keep your projects. And here we have got in the desktop, we can create a new folder called splash, and we can keep it there and create it. Then so here our default startup project. Let's have our emulator and try it. So here let's run our default project and see the result. So here we have got our starter application. So if we click this plus button, we will increase the value. So here what we are going to do is first let's create an assets folder. Let's call it assets and create. Here we will bring our prepared image. We will use this image as an icon of our splash demo and put it here. Okay, so we refactor it and we will have our image here. Then once we are done there, let's prepare our image to be parsable in the pubspec.yaml file. Here we have got default recommendation, so let's uncomment this one and let's rename this one assets and this one as image. So that's what our file is called, I think, image.png. Yeah, so once we have got this one done, there is any library that we have to import. Let's do that. Okay, so everything is in place, so let's continue working on our thing. So here let's add a new Dart file. Let's call it splash. Here we can add our stateful and we call it splash screen. Okay, and we will import the Flutter package material. And so what we can do here is let's have our init code here. So we will call a method here. Let's call it load splash and let's create it here. Since we are going to delay, we are going to make this function asynchronous, and here we will say await. So let's have and then we will add the navigation. push replacement, and here we will material page route, and we will have here context here in parentheses. Let's remove this one, and okay, and I think the file name is my home page, and we will have title which is splash demo. Okay, now here we have got the error, so we have to import the library, and now the error is gone. So once we have got our method completed, let's complete our interface, splash screen interface. Let's use scaffold, and so here we have got a bar and a bar, and let's add here title, and it is going to be text, and let's make it splash demo. Okay, so here we will add the body, and let's make it center. Let's make it center, and center has got a child argument, and let's make it image, and it will be image, and we will make it an asset image, and we will give the asset image that we have prepared here. In the assets folder we have got image png, so let's have this one, and I'm seeing error here, so let's here I've got double colon here, that's why I'm having error. So practically we have done our splash screen. Let's go to main guard and call splash screen here. So here we will have our splash screen. Reload our application. So this is our splash screen now, and we have got the application loaded here, so we can increase the number. Great, that's it for this video. Thank you for your time.